Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the Rogers apartment building, and that is it straight ahead. Now this building is going to be 20 floors, and by the end of this year it will be the tallest building in Jamaica. It's located on Waterloo Avenue, and there you can see next to it is Genesis 28, and then beside that is Parkland, and then to the left now that is 20 South. So you can see quite a few apartment buildings in this area. However, none of them pass 20 floors. None of them come close to the Rogers. I'm just giving you a quick view of the area. So the building, the Rogers, is actually at 14 floors now. And by the end of the year, they should reach 20 floors. Building won't be finished by the end of the year, but it will reach 20 floors. And it's going to have 129 units, that's apartments. Now they have a finished date of 2023. When the project started, they announced it would finish in 2023, but so we're continuing with the aerial view. Okay, so we're back on the building now, and as you can see, it's still going up. And we're going to zoom in on the roof, or not the roof, but the top of the building. And we'll keep making updates on this building until it's finished, so you can keep checking back. Now you can see it's already taller than Genesis 28. I think Genesis 28 is 8 or 9 floors. And you can see the Rogers at 14, it's at 14 floors. So it has quite a few more floors to add on. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour of this building. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also check back in a few days as we'll put up more videos of the construction. We plan to put up videos every 2 weeks just of this project and all the other major construction projects going on. We also have videos up on the Ascent, which is going to be 27 floors. They just got approval and they are in the process of starting, so you can see what they're doing. We have videos up on that project. So currently the Pegasus Hotel at 17 floors in New Kingston is the tallest building in Jamaica. The Rogers will reach 20 floors, or it will pass 17 floors by the end of this year, and that will become the tallest building in Jamaica. And then the Ascent will take over the title as tallest building in Jamaica when it passes 20 floors, probably in a few months. It won't be this year that the ascent passes 20 floors. It's going to be next year sometime. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of the drone video, the aerial tour. Alright guys, have a good day.